hadith which says that a man will tie up his family, his women especially, with the chains so that they don't go follow this man, but they're breaking the chains and going. And you also used the word savior for this guy. I want to ask you, like, since my childhood, I've always, like, I've grown up, my friends, everyone I know, with the concept, like, at the time of the coming of the Dajjal, it's going to be like the whole world is going to be in the chaos. There's going to be too much wrongs going on in the society. It's going to be, the world would have turned into hell, and at that time the Dajjal is going to come with the kafara written. So it's going to be very obvious. So is it going to be like this?
No, it's not. This is the psychology of a regular Muslim, that it's like, whenever the psychology of Al-Qadiyah is very close to the Dajjal time, some sort of chaos, some sort of devastation going on here and there at a personal level as well. But no, it's not. The worst part about Dajjal is the best part about Dajjal.
Well, how do you define that?
The best part about Dajjal is the world is going to go through hell of famine and drought, and agriculturally the world is going to go barren for many years before the Dajjal comes in. So the time of the Dajjal is the best time in the planet. The history of the planet would not have seen that kind of prosperity and resources, because this guy will be raining like anything. This guy will be showering money. This guy will be producing dead relatives. What else do you ask for? Psychologically speaking, this is not even in our psychology. We never ever, we're not trained on this psychology that the happiness is to get your dead relatives back. We don't expect it. So this is beyond the current state of psychological affairs at this stage when he's going to come in.
But we still know that if your child is dying and a doctor heals him, how thankful we are to the doctor.
That's not going to cut it. What if your child dies and he brings them back? That's way bigger of a state. So the prosperity is not even imaginable. This planet is going to be so happy in the time of the Dajjal. It's the happiest time ever. World peace. That ideal state, that is what the Dajjal is actually eyeing out on, and he's going to get most of it.
So you mean to say, like, the way he's going to be known to the people is through the prosperity he's going to
he is. He's going to be
not as a person who's going to
be killer, shooter, and hunting for, no, this is not. Those people are, most people are going to be having the time of their lives. Imagine, why would anyone follow this guy in such grand numbers? I'm talking about billions here. This is very evident that since, of course, we know to Hadith that whatever he can do, since he's going to be doing it, he'll be speaking every language of every person. He'll be doing it's like Santa Claus amplified. You know what I'm saying? This guy is going to come in and is going to be showering gifts, and these gifts are not just temporary gifts. This man is bringing people from the dead. This guy is making your agriculture the strongest thing. And when I say agriculture, all of a sudden your psychology is suppressed a little. I'm talking about those kind of bearing of the land which this planet has not even seen. You know what I'm saying? This is something which only Jesus Christ or a prophet can do, and grow that sort of fruit from the harvest that's not even possible for that kind of technology which we have right now. So this is something which we better understand. We got to reconstruct our psychology, and do not think that the chaos is a sign of the Dajjal. No, prosperity is a sign of the Dajjal. Otherwise, what kind of deception are we looking at? This guy is so clear. He's got a kafara written, and he's claiming to be Jesus, and he's got one eye. He's got one eye. There's also another deception that people think that he's going to have one eye and we're going to spot him. What kind of deception do you think he is? Every Tom, Dick, and Harry knows that. He's a one-eye guy claiming to be God. Are you kidding me? This is not how it's going to be. At least not in the beginning anyway.